school. How many years have happened? 35 years. The school is existing for how many years? 35. And this year is called as a choral year. What is this year called? Choral year. So we will be celebrating the entire session with different activities. Okay?
But in the near future, over time, you will see that it will open the good opportunity and you will be able to achieve the success in your life.